Hi guys! Ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng Chewy Brownies. Sa isang bowl, ilagay ang 1 cup melted butter, 1 cup white sugar, at 1 cup brown sugar at haluin ito ng mabuti. Isunod ilagay ang 2 tablespoon vegetable oil at 1 tablespoon vanilla. Sa isang separate bowl, ilagay ang 4 pieces egg at i-beat ito. Then, ihalo ito sa butter sugar mixture. Haluin ito na mabuti hanggat almost melted na ang sugar. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup unsweetened cacao, and some crushed peanuts. Dito sa peanuts guys, nagtira ako ng pang-toppings. Haluin ito na mabuti hanggat wala ng traces of flour. Isunod ilagay ang 200 grams grated chocolate at magtira ng pang-toppings. Ang gamit ko palang chocolate bar dito ay Fudgy Dark Bittersweet Chocolate Compound. Ilagay sa aluminum tray with greased parchment paper at spread ang mixture. Ang size ng aluminum tray ay 15 by 10 inches. Isa lang ito sa preheated oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. And this is the finished product. So eat well and enjoy with family and friends. Happy tummy!